Shanti used to live in small house with her two children. A few years ago, Shanti's husband died, due to which she has to face many problems. Shanti used to make toy and sell them every streets. One day, her daughters say to Mother Shanti.
Mother, what have you cooked for supper today? I have prepared only flatbread. Only pickle is there, so eat roti from that today. Yesterday also I had eaten flatbread and pickle, and before that too. For so many days you have been giving me only roti and pickle to eat. I don't want to eat this roti and pickle.
Just then, Shanti's son Chintu comes crying.
Mother, I also want to eat ice cream. That Golu teases me every day while eating ice cream. When father was with us, he used to bring us ice cream every evening. After his death, we neither got to eat ice cream nor to eat good food. My children, you have faith in God. Then everything will be fine in a few days. Chintu, you want to eat ice cream, isn't it? I will bring ice cream for you. Now, don't cry, okay?
Shanti, after the convince the children, goes out to sell them with a basket twice made neat and clean for morning to afternoon. Shanti does not sell even a single toy, he said sadly on the bank of phones.
Oh God, what should I do? How much has everything changed since he has gone? Neither do my children have good clothes to wear, nor copybooks to study, nor good food to eat. How good was our life while he was alive? It was passing, but now.
Shanti is sitting on the bank of ponds and crying her sorrows when an old woman comes to her.
Daughter, I have been hungry for a long time. Will I get something to eat? Why not, Amma? You will definitely get it.
Shanti takes out the pickles and breads handkerchiefs gives to the old woman.
Wow, today I enjoyed eating roti and pickle. Daughter, you had only one roti and you fed me that too. Amma, I have a habit of staying hungry. Daughter, you have filled the stomach of me, the old lady, by not eating food yourself. So tell me whatever you want. I will definitely get it for you. No, Amma, I don't want anything. I heard everything you said, so I am giving you something that will help your children get all the things they need, like good food, clothes, and education.
Saying this, the old woman closes her eyes and hears some mantras in mind, and after saying mantras, open her eyes.
Daughter, a magical fridge will come to your house at midnight tonight. Now you will be able to feed your children along with ice cream and everything else.
Say this, the old woman disappears.
Oh God, this Amma has disappeared. But will what she said be true?
When Shanti goes home, Jintu starts insist on Shanti to eat ice cream.
Mother, I knew that you make us fool like this every day. I saw that you did not bring ice cream even today. I will definitely feed you ice cream tomorrow.
After putting the children to sleep, Shanti starts wondering whether what does Amma said put through such a things is magical. Why thinking call this Shanti's pulling sided will she wake up in the morning? She is really shocked of fridge in her homes. She open and see many types of foods items and then Mehak and Chintu's meat. They all the make of sweets.
Wow, Mother, I had asked you for ice cream and you brought the whole fridge for me. Chintu, Mehek, this is not a common fridge. It is a magical fridge. So do not tell anyone about this fridge.
Now, whatever the Shanti all the children ask for from the magical fridge, they would get it. Shanti and children have good clothes and food and no copies or book stories. One day, Motalal goes to Shanti homes and see the
Now
magical
I
fridge.
understand how this poor Shanti got such nice clothes and her children got such nice things. Now, no matter what happens, I will steal this magical fridge.
Saying this, Motilal shocks goes to Shanti house in the mid of nights when everyone is sleeping and try to left the fridge. He get a strong shocks below Motilal fall in the ground. Start morning Shanti and children wake up Motilal voice.
Hey brother, you are in our house so late at night? Mother, yesterday I saw Motilal uncle peeping inside the house. Okay, so you have come to know about the magical fridge.
Yes, and now, whatever happens, I will take this magical fridge with me.
Saying this, Motilal trying to pick up the fridge up and but then get up strong shocks from the fridge.
I'm dead. I'm dead.
Seeing Motilal rending in pain, Mehak and Chintu's laughing call.
Uncle, touch the fridge once more.
If I touch it now, I will go to heaven.
Not just your hands, but if you tell anyone anything about this magical fridge, you will definitely reach heaven or hell.
Motilal speak holding his hair.
No, no, I don't want to die so soon. I made a mistake by coming here to steal your magical fridge. Forgive me, so I will leave from here.
Saying this, Motilal runs away from just Ram's Shanti thanks old Amma with folded hand.